Google, the dream company of every software engineer. What it takes to crack Google. Could you please walk us through the whole interview process?
Okay, sure. There was total 5 rounds. So
Okay.
first was the phone screen and the other 4 were the on-site round. 3 of the on-site round was on the DSA and the last one was on the...
Let's talk about the perks which Google provides to its employee.
Yeah, even I will say list down all the perks, like it will be less compared to what Google provides.
If someone is targeting Google, so what do you think, what resources they should actually follow and what are topics they should actually practice more and more?
Okay, they have very standard way of evaluating everyone, the question they ask. So like
The favorite question, what is the average compensation which Google provides for an SD1 as of now, in 2025?
yeah, so
Google, the dream company of every software engineer. But what it takes to crack Google, what are the resources you need to follow, what are the interview rounds, and what is the whole overall process. So hello everyone, my name is Arideep Datta and currently I'm working as a software engineer too at Rippling. So today we are having Ayush with us who has just cracked SD1 offer at Google. So let's hear from him his journey, his experience and what resources he followed and how he cracked SD1 role at Google. So Ayush, could you please quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, so hi everyone. My name is Ayush, and recently I have joined Google as the SWE2 position. So so far the time is good. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा humble कर गया.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
Like I have to introduce about myself, right?
Yeah, what yourself, like what year pass out you are.
Okay,
what's
okay,
your
all these things.
हाँ
So
previous company क्या था and कितने years of experience है थोड़ा सा normal.
okay. So hi everyone. So my name is Ayush, and recently I have joined Google as SWE2 position. And before that, I was working at Samsung R&D Institute India, Bangalore, here for like 2 years. And I'm 2023 grad pass out with major in electronics and communication from NIT Delhi. So that's about me.
Yeah. So now let's quickly jump to our questions which I have. The first question is that how you applied at Google. Like there are various resources by which you can apply, like direct reaching out to recruiter via LinkedIn or via referral. So what was your process by which you applied at Google?
So yeah, like everybody else, like I was also trying to apply to Google or a lot of other companies, and I have reached out to multiple people on the LinkedIn for the referral and all. But for me, particularly this case, I have applied to the career portal, and after that, after 1 month, I was able to get connected with the friend of my friend. Through him, I got a referral. So it was majorly through career portal, and when he saw in his dashboard a recruiter is assigned to me, then he informed me you might get the notification from the recruiter anytime soon, and just keep following it. So that's...
So you are saying that you applied actually from the job portal and you
Yeah.
got that opportunity. So what do you think? What is the major thing that helped you to get that opportunity? Because you might
Yeah.
agree that बहुत से ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो apply करते हैं and even via referral they apply, but they don't get a call. So anything which you want to highlight, like your resume or something in your resume which helped you to you got a call for the interview.
या सो मेजरली लाइक मैंने भी देखा है बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाई करते हैं विद हेल्प ऑफ
Definitely.
रेफरल एंड ऑल बट आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ रेज्यूमेस व्हेन आई रिसीव ऑन द लिंक्डइन सो मेजरली पीपल अपने अचीवमेंट और गोल्स हाईलाइट नहीं करते हैं, उनकी कोडिंग प्रोफाइल मेंशन नहीं होती एंड दे हैव नॉट सॉल्व्ड वेरी मच कोडिंग क्वेश्चन और इन द कॉन्टेस्ट दे हैव टेकन पार्ट. So these things I think will not make the resume stand out in front of the recruiter or the hiring manager to select the particular candidate resume. So it's very much necessary, like the ATS score of the resume should be very good, and you have to highlight all your achievement section or short summary about your work experience.
Definitely.
And also while applying to the job ID, you need to see the experience level what the job ID requires. So if it requires around 2 plus, then you must have around 2 years of experience, not like that you have just graduated
year,
out
yeah,
of college and then
right.
you are applying by taking referral, so it will not get counted. So having a work experience and then applying is it will put your profile more forward, and it will be good.
Okay, Ayush. So my next question is, could you please walk us through the whole interview process, like getting the interview call from the recruiter, and finally getting the offer letter? And I've also heard that Google has a team matching round, which takes a lot of time. So please walk us through the whole interview process.
Okay, sure. So, my discovery call with the recruiter for the first time happened in the starting of the November 2024. So, after my friend informed, after the 2 weeks, she contacted me via mail, and then after the discovery call, it was a half an hour discussion about what I work on, what I am expecting to work on Google, the tech stack, my current tech stack, and the expectation. All these type of things what happened in half an hour. And after the discussion, there was the next thing is to schedule the phone screen round. So I took the time for the recruiter to prepare better,
yeah.
to practice more, so that it will be good, so that I don't get stuck to clear the phone screen round.
Because that's an elimination round,
Yeah,
right?
because
you have to
that's an
clear it.
elimination round and it is very much important. So
Yep.
if you will clear the phone screen round, then only the next
Actual rounds will be scheduled.
the next on-site round that will be scheduled for you.
Okay.
So they in all there was total 5 rounds. So
Okay.
first was the phone screen and the other 4 were the on-site round. So the 3 of the on-site round was on the DSA and the last one was on the behavioral and the managerial round.
Googliness round?
Yeah, that is the googliness round, but it was more like behavioral, the situation that will be asked.
So you told that you got the interview process started November 24th.
Yeah, November 24.
So okay. So and when was the telephonic screening round scheduled?
Yeah,
Any
so I will
tentative
I will walk you through the whole
Sure,
journey.
sure.
So it was in November 24, I got reached out by the recruiter, and so I took the time for 1 month. So in December mid, at that time my first phone screen round should be scheduled. But since this Thanksgiving and the New Year,
Yeah,
this Christmas
Christmas
time
and all.
happens, it was rescheduled for 5 times.
Oh my God!
So
5 times.
So finally, it got happened in the January mid. So
January mid. Okay.
January mid. So I got lot of amount
Lot
of time to prepare,
prepare.
and again things were not in my hands, right?
Yeah.
So I got the time to prepare, to revise all the concept and to practice more. So it was happened in the January mid, the phone screen, and within 2-3 days, I got the feedback is strongly positive. And after that, my all the 4 rounds were scheduled, and she asked me about to give the timeline or the dates to when to schedule all the.
Yes, in Google you specifically get that.
Yeah, that is the flexibility I will
Yes.
say. Even if you are working, you will get the time so that you can schedule on your convenience when you want to give, and that is again a good thing about Google. And so I've given the timeline for all the on-site round. So I kept Monday, Thursday, I will say, for the.
And which month was it?
It was in Feb and extended to the March. Again, some round got rescheduled.
This is very common. I've heard it.
So my last round was happened in March, and I'm not able to remember the date, but it was in March end. So after all these round, I got the average rating or the final rating of all these rounds. So in the first week of April, I will say, and then it was moved towards the team matching phase or the hiring committee. I don't know which is the step. They didn't mention clearly. They said things will take time. We'll let you know. So I'm not sure about that. And yeah, that was about interview process. And then the team matching happened. So for my case, 2 team match was happened. So first one was the role alignment was not very much great, and the second team match, it was very good. What I was working on and what type of work right now my team works in, it's very much 95% is aligned.
Expectation we're matching.
Expectation is getting matched, and current the work I'm getting assigned is good there. So after having a good conversation with the manager, the team matching phase with the hiring manager takes half an hour. So you discuss about all the your current experience, what work you do, and what their team is working on and what they are looking for. So these type of question is getting asked and discussed, and when the vibe is good and things are aligned, you will definitely get the positive call.
So how much time it took for the whole process? Because you ended up your interview, I think I'll say that mid of April, suppose.
Yeah.
End of March or mid of April.
Hmm.
How much time it take for the team matching
So
process?
team matching round was the lengthiest one, I will say. Like I was stuck in the team matching round for 4 months.
4 months.
4 months.
Okay.
Yeah. So by end of I will say third week of August, in the mid of August, I got my what to say, the offer letter after successful completion of the team matching and everything. After mid of August. I got my offer letter, but before that, like 4 months was utilized
Yeah.
for the team matching phase. There were a lot of L3 position. There were a lot of people who were in the
In the-
pipeline for the L3
Yeah.
position in the team matching phase only. Like I have heard some people are from team matching from Jan also. Like it
Jan.
takes a lot of time, like 6 months.
Because one of my senior, he was also in pipeline for more than 8 months, I guess.
Mhm.
So in that 8 months, he left one company, he joined one company, worked for 8 months into that company, and then when the team match happened, he started working.
Yeah, I've also like when I joined, like I have met with a lot of people and they have like similar kind
Similar
of
experience,
journey
yes.
like I have. So like
लोग यही करते हैं कि when they get offer letter from when they get offered from Google and team matching they are about to start, and at the same time they are having an offer from another company. They generally don't join another company, and they work there. Either they work from 3 months to 8 months, and I have also had someone work for 10 months, and then they got the team matching offer. उसके बाद वो उन्होंने Google join किया, leaving that company for 10
so
10
yeah,
months.
like clearing on-site round is one thing and clearing
Yeah.
team matching phase is another thing. And I will say it totally depend upon the luck when you will profile will get shortlisted by the hiring manager.
Yes.
Depending upon the business requirement, these are like a lot of number of scenarios that is get considered while getting team matched.
So I have the similar experience in 2023. I also got interviewed for SWE2, which is
Alright.
SDE-1 role.
Mhm.
So it started in November, same
Okay.
23, but in 23 November started, and the actual telephonics got scheduled in January, and it happened. And then from January, I think I ended up my whole process in March. March first week only. It was fast. The process was fast enough as I requested them. But again, the team matching process was going on for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So I lost my patience. I told that okay, let's step
Yeah,
back.
during this whole time of the team match, like there is a lot of anxiety. You never know, like every day you woke up and see like there is no feedback
No
from
feedback.
the
Yeah, actually.
and you are waiting for the mail, you are just refreshing your inbox,
And you
if it
never
is something
get-
is there. And also like they don't call with their personal numbers, the recruiter, they use the company's phone number, so
yes,
you
a
will
private
not able
number.
to like call back to
Get the reviews.
get the
and
reviews.
And what's the status of your
Yeah,
application?
what the status of the application, I am in the pipeline or I am not. So these
So
things.
you told that you were having telephonic screening round
Yeah.
and 3 DSA round.
Yeah.
So I just want to know what in each of the round, what are the topics and types of question they ask, and what was the difficulty level?
Yeah, so if I will say first about the difficulty level, so then I will say like my phone screen round was lead code medium hard
Medium hard.
level, and the first townsend round was of medium level, second was also of the medium level, and the third was of medium and hard. So
What topics they ask?
yeah, so like they have asked from every topic, I will say. Like generally I've heard like people say like Google asks a lot of question about the graphs and all. But like for my case, like my first phone screen round was multi source BFS. So that's a graph based question and one follow up on that. The second one was on DP and you have to do the memorization. The second one was like a medium problem, but you have to give like 3-4 solution for that.
Okay.
Because there was number of ways to solve that particular problem,
Okay.
considering the time complexity and the space complexity.
Right.
So it like it was solved using the binary search also, so by sorting, by using the priority keys and all. So you have to like I have to give all the 3 approaches for that. So and all of these should be optimized, right?
So my question is like in each of the round, do they ask 2 separate questions or one question, one follow-up question, or there is no such strict pattern?
In my case, all the follow-up question was like based on the previous problem only.
Okay, so before jumping to the next question, this is my feedback that if someone is preparing for Google and when you are coding, when you are in the interview and coding for a particular question, try to make your code scalable so that in the next follow-up question, you can do minimal amount of changes and make that code work for the second follow-up question as well. When Google's debrief happens, they generally take care of that. What are the variable names you have used, how clean was the code, how scalable was the code, how much you have used a lot of like oops concept and all. So make sure that when you are practicing to crack Google, you are also focusing on this core components as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
let's move to the next question, which is the favorite question. What is the average compensation which Google provides for an SD1 as of now, 2025?
Yeah, so it depends upon the business scenarios also, how the like company is performing, like considering the US market also,
Okay.
and all the latest things that is happening in the tech domain. So I will not able to reveal the exact compensation, but I will give a range for
Mhm.
right now for SWE2, that is SD1 position. They are offering like between 45 to 50, I will
Okay.
say.
What is the components they provide in this compensation?
Like all the components they provide, it consists of the base, the stocks,
Okay.
and the target bonus, joining bonus, and the relocation. Everything is covered between
Okay.
this. And
Nice.
this is first year.
This is first
So
year, completely first year.
this is completely first year.
Because when I joined Amazon, they were provided me like something around 40 to 45, but that was not only your first year. That
Oh, okay,
consisted
okay.
of components of for the all 4 years. So next question is, if someone is targeting Google type of company, like I won't be specific. So let's be specific to Google. If someone is targeting Google, so what do you think? What resources they should actually follow, and what are topics they should actually practice more and more?
Okay. So, Google is not very much different from other tech giant. They
Okay.
have very standard way of evaluating everyone, the question they ask. So, like there is a very like not very much different procedure to follow for the Google. You need to be like stick to like doing more practicing more DSA question,
Okay.
and like if you have solved one particular problem, then you have to try to solve the variation of that particular
Yeah,
problem.
in LeetCode there is an option, right? If you solve one question, and below you can get a lot many questions just similar to that question.
Yeah,
You can
so
follow that process.
this is very much important because in the interview you will be getting a new problem,
Definitely.
and if you have not solved like various type of problem practiced enough, then it will be like not very much like fruitful, or will be easy for you to see a new problem and crack it on that. The
Definitely.
time of this interview is like 45 minutes.
45,
You
strict
have
45
strict
minutes.
45, like first 10 minutes will be going on like explaining the question, understanding it, and then the next 10 minutes, like 10 5 to 10 minutes will be again gone to thinking the approach, and you have need to think the optimized approach also.
Exactly.
Then time will be there to do the discussion if you are going in the right direction, and to do the implementation. This all needs to be done in the 45 minutes,
45 minutes.
in the
That's
span of 45
yeah,
minutes.
strict
So
time.
you need to be very efficient while taking every step, and this happens when you have practiced lot number
Lot
of
many
problems,
times.
given many coding questions, and things will take time, and it will comes with practice, I will say.
Okay, so things will take time, and we have to keep on following follow-up questions, and
Yeah.
make sure that you are, after a certain amount of time, start keeping a timer and solve the question. That also will be my advice, because Google
Yeah.
is very strict about 45 minutes. They
Yeah,
are
yeah.
not going to cross even. Okay, so my next question is, let's talk about the perks which Google provides to its employee. So could you please throw some light on that?
Yeah, like even I will say list down all the perks, like it will be less compared to what Google provides. Like, and it's very, it's all over the world, it's same. Like they have make a very standard way of providing a standard level of perks. And so here in Google Ananta, like in the new
You are
office,
new office, right?
in the new
Oh,
office, like I
nice.
joined in the new office. So like like the quality of like the food they served, it is way far above the standard, I will say. Like many of the good restaurants, the Bangalore will not be compared to that. I will say like it's my first impression. Like I've joined recently only, so I'm saying that. Um,
So they
or
have a lot of variety of foods and all.
Yeah, so like for the food part, like they will be starting from serving from the morning breakfast. They provide the lunch, snacks will be there at around 4, and then you will have the dinner around 7, I will say. And mean the time, like there is barista they have, so
Okay.
where you can meet with the fellow Googlers, exchange the thoughts, and connect with the new people over the coffee or the small tea, I will say. And
Apart from food, what are the other perks?
apart from the food, they have the badminton court, pickleball court within the campus only,
Within the campus.
within
Okay.
campus, and on every floor they have the arcade,
Arcade.
and it's like you don't need to go to the mall to like experience that. They have designed every floor in a different way. Like on one floor there is pool and a cricket. will be there. On the some floor it will be like you have PS5 will be there.
Oh,
On I think
and
they have like constructing the bowling arena also on one of the floor.
nice. And what
So
about gym and all?
the gym thing is, I will say, it's very best, and it's I have been to like the iconic fitness here in Bangalore, but it's very good here in Ananta office. They have like one dedicated section of floor for the gym. There is
Oh, one dedicated floor for gym
one dedicated section of the gym, like,
section.
yeah,
Okay.
the another section is for the spa.
Oh,
The other section is for the gym, so you can take the benefit and enjoy. They have a lot of like good amount of machines there, like from the very basics to very
advanced.
high advanced, and all the weights are covered. They arrange like Zumba classes or yoga classes,
Okay.
and everything is I will say that they have covered. And within the campus, like there is like running track is also there.
Running track. Oh,
So in the
within the
morning you
campus.
can come, on the evening you can come and experience this.
They
And
provide any sort of, do they provide any sort of workshops and all seminars and all something like
uh,
clubs and all? Do you have something like that?
yeah,
I've heard
they
about it.
have a lot of clubs. I will say there is one BLR, I will say, club is there that arranges the marathon or the fun activities where you
Okay.
can meet with the people. There are sometimes like painting workshop will be there, and like people might have heard there is one TGIT. Thank God it's Thursday, something
Okay.
like that. Thing is there that they provide the best snack for that day. And like apart from this, like I have to remember like a lot of benefits.
Okay. As you told that you won't be able to count
Yeah,
everything. Like
there is
Google.
one nap room also, or there is one massaging chair is also there. So after gym, like I sometimes takes the massaging chair, so
Okay. So
get
it's like
relaxed.
Google keeps you busy and keeps you productive every time. Like if you, even if you're not at work, you
Yeah,
might be at gym, you might be at playing
yeah,
something, you
yeah,
might be discussing, or you might be trying out some food.
yeah,
So Google has a very good culture
yeah.
across the globe to provide the best standard, means above the standard, I'll
Yeah,
say.
so they need the good quality of work. So good quality of works will come when the people are in the best state of their mind,
Exactly.
and they will be able to productively contribute to changes that needs
Yes.
to be there in a very efficient manner. So all these other things will be get taken care of by the Google for their employees.
Cool. So yeah, thanks for sharing your experience. It was nice talking to you, and thanks for coming and sharing what the interview process looks like and everything with the viewers. I hope this will help for to everyone who is just preparing, and also जो perks हमने discuss किया, that will just gonna help everyone who is looking forward to join Google
Yeah.
to get motivated and prepare more and more. So yeah, thanks Ayush. Thanks for coming.
So yeah, thanks everyone. Like that's were my views upon like joining Google, and the what perks you will get and what quality of work you will be able to deliver to contribute to the world, to reach a billion of people.
Definitely.
Google is like household name, I will, if I'm not wrong, and I think like people should get motivated to put their best effort, their hard work to reach to these big companies and contribute to
Yeah.
in a good way to the
Definitely.
society.
Perks are waiting for you.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
Cool.
yeah, it was good time, Arideep,
Yeah. Thank you.
for inviting me. Thank
Cool.
you.
Thank you, everyone.